Hi, my name is Varisha, and today I'm going to tell you how your customer can leave a note in their customer portal. So, once you have logged into your customer portal, this is the screen that you will be seeing of the dashboard. From here, you're going to scroll down a little bit and go to the notes area. And here, you're going to click on Leave a Note in the green tab. In the next screen, you are going to click on External Note in the black tab. Now here you're going to put in the title of your note that you want to ask or say, and below that you are going to write a detailed description of what it is that you want to say. After you're done, you're going to click on Save on the green tab over here. Once you're done, your note will be shown over here, and the rest of your notes that you have added previously will also be shown here. And that is how you can add a note into your customer portal. Thank you very much.